Creating a full manga chapter used to require professional artists, weeks of drawing, and skills that take years to develop. But what if I told you that you could create your own manga in just a few hours using nothing but AI tools and your laptop? And I'm talking about professional-looking black and white manga panels with consistent characters, dramatic compositions, and a complete story that actually looks like it came from a real manga artist. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it yourself, step by step, without needing any drawing skills whatsoever. The process breaks down into 3 simple steps. First, we'll generate our story and panel breakdown. Then, we'll create consistent characters and turn them into manga panels. Finally, we'll assemble everything into pages and add dialogue and effects to complete our manga. All the tools I'm using are linked in the description below, so let's get started. The first thing we need is a solid story, broken down into manga panels. You could plan this yourself, but ChatGPT can help us structure a complete chapter with clear panel descriptions in minutes. I'm going to create a story about 2 main characters. You can find the exact prompt I'll use in the description below. I'll open ChatGPT and type something like this. Create a detailed manga story outline about an assassin named Ayato with dark hair and red eyes who discovers a portal to the elf world while on a mission. There, he meets Mira, an elf with blonde hair and green eyes. Break down the story into 8 to 12 manga panels with clear visual prompt descriptions for each panel. Include dialogue separate from the prompt so I can add them as text bubbles later on, action descriptions, and camera angles. Make it suitable for a short manga chapter. Focus on dramatic moments and clear visual storytelling that works well in black and white manga style. ChatGPT will give you a complete panel-by-panel breakdown with visual descriptions, camera angles, and even dialogue for each scene. Once you have your output, copy it and save it somewhere, because we'll use it to generate each panel. You can also change the ChatGPT result a bit to match your own style. I'll be doing that too. Now that we have our story structure, we need to create our characters. This is where most people struggle with AI manga creation, because keeping characters consistent across multiple panels is incredibly difficult, especially when you make everything without colors. But OpenArt has a feature that solves this problem completely. OpenArt is an all-in-one AI platform that lets you generate images and maintain consistent characters all in one place. Head over to OpenArt, and once you're logged in, click on character on the left side. You'll see 3 options: start with a description, start with 1 image, or start with 4+ images. For manga characters, I recommend starting with a description because it gives you the most control over the exact look you want. Now, we'll create Ayato first. In the description box, type this: black and white manga style male character, dark hair, sharp red eyes, wearing black assassin outfit with torn cloak, serious expression, detailed manga art style, high contrast ink work. Then, click Create Preview. OpenArt will take a few seconds to generate your character. Once it's done, you'll see several variations to choose from. I'll pick this one because it matches my original idea perfectly. Now let's create Mira. Click Create Character again and type black and white manga style female elf character, pointed elf ears, green eyes, light armor with ornate details, bow and arrows, gentle but strong expression, detailed manga art style, high contrast ink work. Once again, click Create Preview. After a few minutes, you'll get your result. Browse through the options and select the version of Mira you like most. Once both characters are generated and selected, you'll see them in your character library, and now we can start creating manga panels with them. Now, click on Ayato. This opens up the image generation workflow. We're going to generate images for each panel in our manga, and we'll use our consistent characters in every single one. Let's start with panel 1, where Ayato is crouched on the rooftop. In the prompt box, I'll use ChatGPT's output and type this: Ayato crouched on rooftop edge at night, dark cloak fluttering, katana glinting, rain falling, city sprawling below, low angle shot, black and white, manga style, high contrast ink work, dramatic composition. Set your aspect ratio based on how you want the panel shaped and generate at least 2 images so you have options. Click Create. The results will show Ayato in that exact scene, and he'll look exactly like the character you created earlier. I'm going to speed this up, but the process is identical. You just choose your character, type your prompt based on your existing story, and hit generate. Now, let's create the kill scene panel. New prompt: close-up of Ayato's blade slicing through rain, motion lines, high contrast shadows, dramatic action shot, black and white manga style, intense ink work. Again, make sure Ayato is selected as your character and generate the image. Next, we need the panel where the rune starts glowing. Prompt: stone wall with glowing magical runes, Ayato looking over shoulder with red eyes reflecting light, rain falling, mysterious atmosphere, black and white manga style, dramatic lighting. Keep generating panels based on your ChatGPT breakdown. For the portal opening panel, use this prompt: swirling portal of energy and leaves bursting from the wall, Ayato being pulled toward it, shielding his face, dynamic tilted angle, wind and motion lines, black and white manga style, intense action composition. Then, create the panel where Ayato crashes into the elf forest. Ayato falling into glowing magical forest with tall trees and floating embers, surreal ethereal atmosphere, soft gradients for glowing elements, heavy inking on character, black and white manga style, full page spread composition. For the scene where our characters meet, I'll write close-up of glowing arrowhead inches from Ayato's face, his sharp red eye narrowing, tense moment, black and white manga style, dramatic perspective. Right after that Mira appears, I'll select her as our second character and type Mira standing among glowing trees with bow drawn, tall elf with braided hair and ornate armor, low angle from Ayato's perspective, ethereal presence, black and white manga style, detailed character art. For the tension-breaking panel, prompt Mira lowering bow with soft expression, faint light from her palm illuminating Ayato's face, side view with glow dividing frame, black and white manga style, emotional moment. For the resolve panel, I'll use Ayato standing tall with tethered cloak facing Mira, forest wind swirling around them, portal shimmering in background, heroic mid-shot with dynamic wind lines, black and white manga style, powerful composition. Next, I'll create the scene where their hands finally meet. Prompt close-up of Mira's glowing fingers brushing Ayato's scarred knuckles, soft grayscale contrast, intimate moment, black and white manga style, detailed hand art. And for our final panel, I'll do wide shot of Ayato and Mira standing side by side before glowing portal, rear view silhouettes with his dark figure and her luminous outline, forest wind, scattering leaves, black and white manga style, cinematic ending composition. Generate all 12 panels based on your story breakdown and download each image once you're happy with the results. Now that we have all of our images, it's time to assemble everything into actual manga pages. For this, we'll use Canva, which is a free design tool that makes it super easy to arrange images, add text, and create professional-looking layouts without any experience. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Design in the top left corner. Then search for comic strip in the search bar and select it. This gives you a canvas with the right dimensions for creating manga pages. You can also customize the size if you want something specific, but the comic strip template works perfectly. Now you'll see a blank page with some default frames. You can resize them and position it however you want to create your manga layout. Once you've organized your frames, drag each manga panel image onto its corresponding frame. You can double-click to edit how the image fills the space. This gives you great control over which part of your panel is visible. Keep adding frames and filling them with your generated panels until you've laid out your entire manga page. You can create multiple pages by clicking the Add Page button at the bottom. Start by adding your speech bubble. Go to Elements and search for Manga Speech Bubble. Canva has plenty of styles to choose from. Drag one onto your panel and resize or rotate it so it fits naturally in the scene. Once the bubbles are in place, click on text on the left side and add text boxes inside them for each line of dialogue from your ChatGPT output. For Ayato's thought bubble in panel 1, type No Moon Tonight, perfect for blood work. Position it near his head and choose a font that looks manga appropriate. Finally, add sound effects to make the panels more dynamic. Place them close to the action to bring your manga to life. Go through each panel and add all the dialogue, sound effects, and bubbles based on your ChatGPT script. Make sure the reading pace is clear. Once everything is in place, you can add final touches like panel borders to separate each frame clearly. You can do this by just using the line tool. When you're happy with your manga pages, click on Share in the top right corner, then Download. Canva will download your completed manga pages as high-resolution images that you can share online or even print. Now let's take a look at our final result. This is incredible. It looks like a legitimate manga chapter for an ongoing series. So now you know exactly how to create a complete manga from scratch using AI tools. You can generate consistent characters, create professional-looking black and white panels, and assemble everything into actual manga pages with dialogue and effects. And with OpenArt, you get access to all the image generation tools you need in one platform, which saves you time and money instead of having multiple subscriptions. If you want to start creating your own manga, click the link in the description to sign up for OpenArt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.